Got a drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smell.
Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy shawnyg, and today we have some awesome stuff that I wanted to let you guys know about for the Infiniti M35 build. I have had a lot of parts being saved up these last few weeks, last few months, and I just wanted to make a video and I wanted to show you guys me installing them all together and putting them back on my car. So in this video we're gonna have four different things we put on. We're gonna have valve covers from the MITZONE Amazon valve covers. We're gonna have a lower and a middle ported manifold and polished manifold from IMP Porting on Instagram. I'll put that link down there. On the fourth thing is an upper ported manifold from from Unknown Performance. Yes, sorry, I'm a little bit tired. It's about 100 and something out. I'm in Arizona summer, so forgive me, please forgive me. But yes, today I'm going to be showing you all that stuff being taken off and put back together. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good one. The process I have here is just a basic torque pattern. Boom, boom, boom. Mind my foot. Boom, and then boom, 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 boom. Yeah, basic torque pattern, easy. Right now, I'm just adding some thread lock. First valve cover is done. Second valve cover is getting finished right now. Just have to take these little bolts off this fitting, and it should be secure. You don't want no bolts going into your manifold or your camshaft. I don't know why I said manifold, but camshaft I meant, because if they do drop in there, your camshaft's messed up. So, yep, it shall be done pretty soon. Great progress today. I removed my fuel rail, basically all loose, just held on by some random shit. Fuel pressure regulator. Removed all my manifolds. Yeah. You can see the valves just open there, just chilling. Did pretty good. Tomorrow I'm gonna remove valve covers off, swap these out, put them back together. I'd like to show you guys what I have done so far. So far I have all the manifolds taken off to the heads. It looks like these valve covers are going to be a pretty easy job, but I just have to get a couple bolts over there that might be a pain in the ass, so hopefully I could get them off pretty easy peasy. Just stay along with the process and take a nice little chill pill and relax with me, you know?
If you tryna die and pick your poison, I got 5 ways. Slapped him with his 9 cause he was looking at me sideways. I put her just to violate. These ops I'm about to annihilate. Got partners doing like some others waiting on their try days. If you tryna die and pick your poison, I got 5 ways. Slapped him with his 9 cause he was looking at me sideways. I put her just to violate. These ops I'm about to annihilate. Got partners doing like some others waiting on their try days. I just woke up, pissed as fuck, I let my gun off. This life from sun to sundown, I ain't got no time to run off. This goofy try to run off. The keys, now it's time to lay the play now. Ain't no time to wait, tell them gotta make the play now. My money, I don't play around, plus that they can't make a great son. I remember taking Greyhound with 8 pounds, cause I was weight on penny pinch, your pockets empty, ain't nothing but just a shake. You ain't trying to turn a profit, lost homies along the way. With it, wishing it was way different, still can't change what happened. Gotta put on form in each of my area actions. At the forum, I'm performing, I'm preaching out to the masses. This is shit, you hit the pit, split his shit and break his glasses. Life a movie, making classes. I'm a fucking dragon. If you tryna die and pick your poison, I got 5 ways. Slapped him with his 9 cause he was looking at me sideways. I put her just to violate these. After some problem solving skills, this coolant hose is a real big pain in the ass. You're gonna have to need to get a short 10mm like this, so you could reach in between the hose
because this hose is a pretty strong clamp. So I'm on my last bolt for this passenger, or this driver's side valve cover, and yeah, it's just a matter of process now. I'm gonna lift them up right now and I'll show you guys. I'm gonna put you down over here real quick.
If you tryna die and pick your poison, I got 5 ways. Stabbed him with his knife cause he was looking at me sideways. I put her just to violate. These outs I'm about to annihilate. Got partners doing like some others waiting on their try day.
Got it. Alright. This should be the end of the bolts that I need to lift up. Should be everything. So what I'm gonna do is move this wiring harness to the side if I can and just start lifting and tugging. Easy peasy, left and right side done. As you can see, cams are honestly in beautiful condition. I'm really surprised myself to say, but the cams are in freaking beautiful condition. Beautiful. Could not really ask for anything else when it comes to cams right here, boy. Sweet, we got the new ported manifold in and the new valve covers in, looking beautiful. Fuck, bro, I've been working up on my whip the whole entire day. I'm fucking exhausted, man. Fucking black hands, shit. Alright, it is all fucking ready. Time for the motherfucking truth. Come on, start. So it is day 3 of doing my ported manifolds. Don't mind my look right here. Basically, I was not told that I needed to fill some of these holes that were being removed from this plenum. So there was way too much air going in, no vacuum, I guess, as you could say. But yeah, I have it all figured and situated out. I'm gonna put this upper manifold back on, cross my fingers, and turn on the car. First startup. Hey, this is shawnyg, and I just wanted to give this a final wrap up and a final review after finishing up my manifolds and my valve covers and all that different type of stuff. Overall, I have to say the valve covers have not leaked a single bit after driving it around, you know, putting my foot into it once or twice, so those are going great so far. The manifolds seem to definitely flow better. I could hear a difference in my engine from like the front of my engine bay when I am like putting my foot into it. Seems to definitely pull better on the top end. I definitely need to remove my rev limiter because right when it hits 6,000 RPMs, that's when it starts to really kick in with that variable valve timing on the intake side. Because the VQ35, they only have it on the intake and not the exhaust. So overall, I'd give these parts a 10 out of 10. The only thing I'd have to say is from unknown performance is if they could have let me know a little bit earlier in advance that I had to plug in those middle manifold bolts with another smaller 10mm, that would have helped me out a lot because I had to take it apart probably about 2 or 3 times before I actually got it correctly started. So yeah, just definitely make sure if you get that unknown performance middle manifold, or upper manifold, sorry, you plug the middle manifold bolts, the 6 that are at the top. Oh yeah, Dad's Corvette. Okay, so what I wanted to explain to you guys is with the new unknown performance middle manifold, you're getting rid of these 6 bolts, right? So if you go and get it, make sure you plug up these bolts or else your car is not gonna run correctly to the middle manifold. So make sure you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you get the 10mm shorties, the OEMs. It'll run fantastic. Yeah, 10 out of 10 though. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy these little clips of me running and running my car and moving around. I guess I'll wrap this video up from here.
At the front, just sipping up on the Alizé. Bad bitches running the grind and peeping the baller, man. Gold things and gold chain and gold rings. Mean coats and tennis suits and Cardi frames. 2 steps, cause players don't really dance. So breaking nigga pocket by checking that's what them dominoes. Making money, cause money is what I comprehend. Sailor Moon, I see you choosing it from your man. Breaking hearts and locking lips, I don't understand. Bro, we came to boogie and sip all over this double can. Lock up at the crib and don't be ringing the phone. Getting loose straight off the handy. My partner's rolling the stone. Getting the red test the rose. The steady switching them lanes. Feeling like I'm Tony Montana with diamonds in my chain. Come and lounge at the Players Club. Come get a back rub. Feed up, counting money, see the stacks, bruh. Pockets filled with nothing but blues. I'm dropping checks. Bring a bottle where you find the champagne. That's to the neck.